Hey guys, so I'm coming back. I just did my skincare routine. I'm going to tell you exactly what I did here. All right, so I started off with the Repair Hemp face wash. This retinol face wash will get your skin clean but not dry. It has CBD and retinol in it, and the whole point I use this is because I like to lighten those darkened areas, and retinol does that. But also has vitamin C, and it also has vitamin E and other light oils that will not clog your skin, that help it, balance in the skin tone, so a nice brown. And I have no makeup on. I'm directly in the sunlight. The window's behind me. So after I apply that, I go in with the essence. This is the new bottle. There will be gold screen printing on it, but I always like to test products packaging before I use it to make sure, okay, I can recycle this. This is easy to use. Turn off the top. There's a knob where you can just drop it into your hand. I always test it, but I apply this essence because after I wash my face, I want to start hydrating my face, because this is amazing. Like, you can see the tremella mushroom in there. Oh, amazing. And hyaluronic acid and CBD, and then rosewater. All of this is organic. But yeah, and the rosewater is made in-house, people. Woohoo! And the CBD is grown in-house. Yay! Anyway, so in essence, prepares your skin for serums. The rosewater balances the oils in your skin. Hyaluronic acid adds more hydration to your skin, which is help to take away any type of wrinkles, or if your skin's overly dry, your skin will produce more oil, so it stops making your skin overly dry. And then it has tremella mushroom, another strong hydrator, and yeah, so that's that. And then I go in with the Rich Skin Face Serum. This is going to be the new bottle. It will have gold printing on, but this has a dropper. And the reason why I got this is because it's easy to use, and the white one, people didn't realize that they had to take the top off. So I just take this, press down on this part right here, like you press down, and as you can see, it's in the dropper. And you just I put 1 to 2 drops on my skin, then I press it into the skin. Okay, and then last but not least, I use my Repair Hemp Retinol Cream. This is going to be in a new container. The top will be gold, and that'll be the only change. But then I use this. This has CBD and retinol and vitamin E. I mean, there's so many good ingredients in here. I can read off right now. Rosehip oil, organic aloe vera, organic argan oil. It's a lot of good ingredients in here that I really want everyone to have on their skin, and it's organic too. But the whole point of this is this is like the strongest out of this and the Rich Skin Face Serum, because it has glycolic acid in it, and the Repair Hemp and Retinol face wash. I use this to make sure my skin has a nice rich brown tone to it, also that it's plump and hydrated. And of course, the CBD adds more blood flow into the skin. It acts as an antioxidant and acts as a, oh my gosh, it just brings out that natural glow that you need in your skin. So these are the products I'm going to use today. I am going to put on a sunscreen, since I put on my retinol during the day. Yes, I do put on retinol during the day. And this doesn't burn, and I have eczema. My skin's very sensitive. This is the reason why I put CBD inside of the retinol cream, to balance out that dryness and that intense. Because once your skin has retinol in it, it's removing dead skin. So it's like, oh, remove dead skin. No, the new skin has to come in and has to grow. So as it's growing, you'll have like scabbing and everything, because you're repairing, resurfacing, and you want to go in with the type of oil or hydration. I think the most powerful one you can use is CBD, which is a natural fatty acid. So those are the skincare products that I use, and go on shebiology.com to shop and buy and support, and follow me on Instagram and follow me on YouTube, and that is She Biology. All right, bye guys. Have a beautiful day, okay?